Bon dia. But I'm Australian, so I'll simply say g'day, mate. Hopefully there are some Australians in the room who can translate any of the kangaroo language that might come. Thank you for the wonderful welcome here in Porto and Portugal, and it's a great pleasure to be representing INSEAD, the Business School for the World, and participating as INSEAD does each year in the QSP Summit. Already, last night and this morning, we've had much food for thought to think about the future of leadership. John Burko reminded us in the opening ceremony of how essential leading by example is. And this morning, Gary has exhorted us to think about simplifying and debureaucratizing our organizations and thinking about leadership at a distributed level. So I'd like to continue those conversations and suggest a few other thoughts and ideas that have come from our research and our teaching work in our programs at INSEAD under the heading, The Altitudes of Leadership. And Ram Charan gave a practice that said, when you look outside of yourself and you look inside of yourself, connect these together. Effective leaders have got to be people who operate these three altitudes. That was some of the things we discussed in our Phoenix Encounter book, but most importantly, my final message is this. It ultimately comes back to every one of us. As individual leaders, if we are prepared to embrace mindset change, supported by tools and habits that can help us, then the possibility is there for organizations to make their change and for young emergent leaders to grow. And it can leave us with three new KPIs. The first is not return on equity. ROE means a higher return on experience. That is, the experiences we have, we generate. ROI, not return on investment, but a higher return on insights because we generate them about ourselves, others, context, and purpose. And lastly, ROA, not return on assets, but return on awareness because we're aware of ourselves and we set a role model example for others. Don't get trapped at altitude sickness. Thank you very much.